Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach a file to a Microsoft Teams meeting in just a few simple steps. Start by joining the meeting. You'll see a dialog asking if you're sure you don't want audio or video, so click Continue without audio or video. On the pre-join screen, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in, you'll see a Waiting for Others to Join status appear at the top of the screen. Click the chat icon in the top toolbar to open the meeting chat panel. The chat panel opens on the right side of your screen showing the chat history. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the chat input area to open the Attach Files menu. Click the paperclip icon again, and a menu appears with two options: Attach Cloud Files and Upload from this device. For this example, I'm choosing Upload from this device to attach a file from my computer. A File Explorer window opens. Select the file you want to attach and click Open. The file appears in the chat input with its metadata, then click the paper airplane icon to send it, and your file is now attached and visible in the meeting chat. If you see a warning that a copy is being uploaded because a file with the same name already exists in the chat, Teams will still send it. The duplicate just gets a unique identifier. You can also attach files directly from OneDrive or SharePoint by choosing Attach Cloud Files instead of uploading from your device. Once a file is sent in the meeting chat, all participants can click it to open or download it, and it stays accessible in the chat history after the meeting ends. And that's how to attach a file to a Teams meeting. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.